Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Real Ria, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all a DIY basket kind of a thing for our center table. Now when we sit around the sofas, we do have a tendency to lay over all our items on all over the table. So in order to not do that thing, I'm going to be making this little DIY kind of a basket to keep all our things inside it so that it doesn't scatter all around the table. Now, for making this little and cute DIY, all you need are few ingredients, and that too which are easily available at your home. You need any kind of paper, some glue. This is Mod Podge glue, some Fevicol. If you don't have Mod Podge, no problem. Only Fevicol will work. Then you need some cello tape, scissor, brush, some tapes. These are decorative, optional. A scale, pencil, and of course, the box in which we are going to make this DIY basket. Now here I had this Nika cartoon, which, and these cartoons are easily available whenever we order something from internet. So just cut this in a rectangular shape and just see to it that you make all the four sides of the cartoon sturdy. If you need, you can apply some extra leftover cartoon thing, cut it in the size and just stick it all the four sides of this cartoon box, so that it will we will get a very strong base to work on with our project. Now once you see all the four sides are strong enough, we need to cut the paper in exactly the same measurement to cover all the four sides of this cartoon. So you take the measurement correctly and you have to cut down the paper in such a way that it cover all the four sides of the basket. Once you cut the paper in accordingly exact size of this cartoon, we are going to paste this with the help of Mod Podge glue and Fevicol. If you don't have Mod Podge glue, don't worry, only Fevicol will work. Cut it as you want it and then apply glue all over it and stick the paper all along the basket. Now, as the inside are looking so horrible, I'm going to be sticking this again, and this is another paper. You can take any paper you want, and we are going to line this thing inside the basket. So cut it accordingly to the shape of this cartoon, and then we are going to place it and paste it all over the basket. We will do it inside the basket, of course. Just keep one thing in mind, that you have to take exact measurement, or you can do what one thing is that you can keep a little extra measurement, so that if it doesn't fit, you can always cut it down. Now after you cut the this extra paper in the exact shape of the basket, just paste it inside the basket and do the same thing for all the four sides of the basket. Now we have lined all the paper inside the basket, and this is looking so nice, but this is looking quite boring, so we are going to add a zing to that. Now I have taken some lace. This actually I have cut down from one of my dupattas. It was an old dupatta, I did not need that dupatta, so I've cut down the lace and I'm going to stick it all over the basket in such a way that it will look nice and it will give a little cuteness to the basket. Now this is all I have done. It's very simple, nothing special or no extra hectic work to do. Just stick it all over the basket, and here you will get a very little cute DIY basket with zero budget. Now here I have decorated it with items that I wanted. You can decorate it any way, in any way that you want. Always use your creativity. If you want to add some stickers, sparkles, go, just do it in any way you want it. Now the basket was looking a little empty, so I have added two shells. You can add books, you can keep books, anything that you like. And this is all that I have created after this. I hope you will like this video. Now if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment in my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.